Where does the breakdown of pyruvate take place? Where does the breakdown of pyruvate take place? Where does the breakdown of pyruvate take place? Where does the breakdown in mitochondria? What are the products of aerobic respiration? What are the products of aerobic respiration? Carbon dioxide and water. How many ATP molecules are formed in the oxidation of glucose? How many ATP molecules are formed in the oxidation of glucose? How many ATP molecules are formed in the oxidation of glucose? ATP. Write the fluid medium in the blood. Write the fluid medium in the blood. Dash is the fluid medium in the blood. Write the fluid medium in the blood. Plasma. Fluid medium in the blood is next. Which blood vessel carry oxygenated blood? Which vessel carry which blood vessel carry oxygenated blood? Which blood vessel carry oxygenated blood? Who can say? Write the answer. Blood vessel carry oxygenated blood. Arteries. Next question. Which vein carry oxygenated blood? Which vein carry oxygenated blood? Which vein carry oxygenated? Which vein carry oxygenated blood? Who can say? Pulmonary vein from lungs to heart. Name two cellular elements of xylem. Tracheids and vessels. Trachid and vessel. Name the excretory unit in human. Name the excretory unit in human. Those are present, give your attendance. Give attendance. Name the excretory organ in human. Urethra. You are wrong. Name the excretory unit in human. Om, you are wrong. Anyone? Anyone? Asu, Pratishta, Sunaki. Kidney is the excretory unit in human. Name the chief nitrogenous waste product in the human urine. Name the main or chief nitrogenous waste product in human urine. Name the chief nitrogenous waste product in the human urine. Urea. Which of the following, next question, which of the following contains less nitrogenous waste? The renal vein or the renal artery? The renal vein or the renal artery? Which of the following contains less nitrogenous waste? Renal vein or renal artery? Renal vein. Renal artery brings waste product to kidney. Renal artery waste product to the kidney. So renal artery contain most of the nitrogenous waste. Less nitrogenous waste contained by the renal vein. Next question. What happens when acid react with metals? Metal. What happens when acid react with metals? Salt and water. Salt and hydrogen. Salt and hydrogen. What happens when hydrochloric acid is added to sodium bicarbonate? What happens when dilute hydrochloric acid is added to sodium bicarbonate? What happens when dilute hydrochloric acid is added to sodium bicarbonate? NaCl H2O CO2. Very good. Question. Next question. Most metals do not react with base, but zinc metal does. Reaction between zinc and sodium. Reaction between zinc and sodium hydroxide. Zinc is an amphoteric oxide in nature. Then give the reaction between zinc and sodium hydroxide. Give the reaction between zinc and sodium hydroxide. Reaction between sodium zinc. Chemical formula Na2ZnO2. Very good. Chemical formula Na2ZnO2. Very good. Name a natural antidote of nettle. Name a natural antidote of nettle. Duck plant. Name a salt which does not contain water of crystallization. Which does not contain water of crystallization. Name a salt which does not contain water of crystallization. Baking soda. A compound is formed. Identify a compound which is formed due to the recrystallization of sodium carbonate. A compound which is formed due to recrystallization of sodium carbonate. Name the compound. Washing soda. Na2CO3 10H2O. Very good. Lower narrow end of uterus is called as dash. Lower narrow end of uterus is called as urethra, clitoris, vulva, cervix. Lower narrow end of uterus is called as dash. Cervix, CERVIX. Next question. How do malaria parasite reproduce? How do malaria parasite reproduce by asexual reproduction? Which type of asexual reproduction shown by malaria parasite? Multiple fission. Next question. Which of the following are effects of atmospheric refraction? Twinkling of stars, Tyndall effect, advanced sunrise and delay sunset. Which of the following are effects of atmospheric refraction? Twinkling of star and advanced sunrise and delay sunset. At noon, the sun appears white as dash. Light is least scattered. All the colors of the white light are scattered away. Blue color is scattered the most. Red color is scattered the most. At noon, the sun appears white as dash. During noon, the sun appears white. Why? Light is least scattered, or all the colors of the white light are scattered away. Blue color is scattered the most. Red color is scattered the most. Light is scattered least. Next question. The bluish color of water in deep sea is due to dash. The bluish color of water in deep sea is due to dash. The presence of algae and other plants found in water, or a reflection of sky in water, or scattering of light, or absorption of light by the sea. Which option is correct? Scattering of light. Due to the scattering of light. Which color suffers least deviation on passing through a prism? Which color suffers least deviation on passing through prism? Green, violet, red, yellow. Least deviation by red. To an astronaut, the sky appears dash. Blue, red, white, dark. To an astronaut, the sky appears dash. Blue, red, white, dark. Dark, very good. Which phenomenon is responsible for increasing the apparent length of the day by 4 minutes? Which phenomena is responsible for increasing the apparent length of the day by 4 minutes? Refraction of light, scattering of light, dispersion of light, atmospheric refraction. Which phenomena is responsible for increasing the apparent length of the day by 4 minutes? Refraction of light, scattering of light, dispersion of light, atmospheric refraction. Atmospheric refraction is correct. How many times does a ray of light bend on passing through a prism? Once, twice, thrice, 4 times. How many times does a ray of light bend on passing through a prism? Twice, 2 times. Asu. Angle of deviation is depends on dash. Angle of deviation is depends on angle of prism, or nature of material of prism, angle of incidence on the prism, all of the above. Angle of deviation is depends on angle of prism, nature of material of prism, all the above. Very good. The phenomenon of splitting of white light by prism is called dash. Refraction, reflection. Jasmine. From tomorrow, Odia medium class will be started. The phenomenon of splitting of white light by prism is called dash. Refraction, reflection, dispersion, TIR, total internal reflection. Very good. No, the phenomenon of splitting of white light by prism, dispersion. Jasmine, you are wrong. Dispersion. Next question. Which of the following phenomena contributes significantly to the reddish appearance of sun at sunrise or sunset? Which of the following phenomena contributes significantly to the reddish appearance of sun at sunrise or sunset? Option: dispersion of light, scattering of light, total internal reflection of light, reflection of light from the earth. Which of the following phenomena contributes significantly to the reddish appearance of sun at sunrise or sunset? During sunrise or sunset, the appearance of sun is reddish. Is due to which phenomena? Dispersion of light or scattering of light? Very good, scattering of light. Jasmine, you are right. Pratishtha, scattering of light. Asu, which of the colors of visible light has minimum frequency? Which of the colors of visible light has minimum frequency? Violet, red, yellow, green. Red color has largest wavelength, so the frequency of red color is minimum. Frequency wavelength is reciprocal to each other. Red color has largest wavelength means the frequency is minimum. Red. Very good. The angle between the refracting surfaces of a prism is called the angle of dash. The angle between the refracting surfaces of a prism is called angle of dash. Refraction, angle of refraction, angle of prism, angle of reflection, both refraction and prism. The angle between the refracting surfaces of prism is called dash. Angle of prism also called angle of refraction. Both option is correct. Next question. The maximum resistance which can be made using 4 resistors, each of resistance 1/2 ohm. The maximum, open your copy, write down the question, numericals. The maximum resistance which can be made using 4 resistors, each of resistance 1/2 ohm is dash. Do you understand, Jasmine? The maximum resistance which can be made using 4 resistors, each of resistance half ohm or 1/2 ohm. There are 4 resistors are equal resistance which is half ohm. You need to find, or you have to find the maximum resistance. You have to find the maximum resistance which can be made using 4 resistors, each of resistance 1/2 ohm. Maximum resistance means maximum resistance. Resistors are connected in series. 2 bulbs 40 watt are connected in series. The current through the 100 watt bulb is 1 ampere. The current through the 40 watt bulb will be dash. Repeat the question. There are 2 bulbs, 100 watt and 40 watt bulbs, which are connected in series. The current through the 100 watt bulb is 1 ampere. So that current through the 40 watt bulb will be dash. Again repeat the question. 2 bulbs of 100 watt and 40 watt are connected in series. The current through the 100 watt bulb is 1 ampere. Then the current through the 40 watt bulb will be dash.